Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to change the candle's color in MetaTrader 5. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5 and as you can see, we have these colors. And now right click on properties, and now you have to change bar up, bar down, bull candle and bear candle. Okay, so let's start with the bull candles. So I will change, for example, this black candle to a green candle. So all you have to do is go to bar up. I will keep this one on green, and I will go to bull candle and I will change it also to green. I will go to bar down. I will change this one to red, and the bear candle I will change it also to red. Now click on OK, and as you can see, we changed our candles colors, as you can see. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.